beautiful. Today we drawing and coloring in F for Fennel vegetables. We started the series of alphabet learn with vegetable. So first of all, we draw the sketch of F for Fennel vegetable.
Amazing!
Now we fill the color in it.
Amazing!
I hope you like my video, my drawing and my coloring. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so